show man penny appointment here. Musicians a boano. Afebi, meboa. Radio presenters a boano. Afebi, meboa. Movie actors a boano. Afebi, meboa. Activists, crown or money nam street to crop way. Afebi, meboa. Youth guy, young guys. Afebi, meboa. Tidenti ena. Osha sofo mu dia. Yen hu sa appointment bia ba mo sofo bia. Ba ma hwa ne ma na wo se. Ya wa sofo bi obetimi atena board bi so. Obetimi a contribute spiritual direction, physical direction, economic direction, social direction, leadership direction and advice. O check Bible. Odi for Samuel. Anya na raise a president. First president of Israel. President another king Saul. One a managing, one a boy. Anya odi for Samuel. The second president, and the second king. I will be Israel. King David. And you did for someone the one. What I said, a deep for Namina Mumsupo. And there are some, but I didn't say in your free. There are some of them are which are contributing. And this is for your care for me the same mistake. MPP for you. MPP one. So for ya come on. You do maybe a more rejecting one. On the tour. Sanity. And upon you or Colaba who can some catch say. So be no upon a upon swap, obey me a quantity. Now, Bimut a soft for me your money, and this party no apam. Our 1 year, Jumama won. From 2016 mobile. This said, you almost are upon a bit my quantity. What you don't want was you swan to memo. Emma, a best.
Ebushi amida se wenya brenda o hwe too much and day. Mesaka Bishop Sam Owusu. I'm na between komo. Na nkomo a yebedi no very important issues are also or my Ghana. Me se ombre no. Subscribe to preach me adoman. So na me app me bia to na 70. African home. Nyama ye papa akwaba mra with this.
Free AM Home Care and Nursing Home. No more sure for my own yakwan you do mine. We home care and nursing services, elderly day care, medication management, dementia, and Alzheimer care, physiotherapy services, post-surgery care, illness recovery care. Ni nyina ne say, ubusu ani bi kra na bi a wakwayare sabia na yeyi na befie. Na free AM Home Care and Nursing Home for ya 24/7. Won mu abekwa akokrokro no, ekwan befa so obefa ni ndro, no mu entertain no. Na wo so nyakwan you do mine.
Ene AM Home Care and Nursing Home. Sabi na mi pay.
Obutimi krokro busu for Prache Waum.
Omo Wahifa.
AM Home Care and Nursing Home. Ewa Fanko, Accra, and Sawam Road. From 0540 344 837 and 0207 859995.
My follow page for so many years now. I said, Ricky Bia, no, making a push apart from preaching. What should I set it aside some time about some 5 minutes? No one can do a couple percent. Or my work catcher or my work. Now, most of the in some way, it look very controversial.
I see.
Yes. Now, I raise debate and so many arguments on social media platforms, radio stations, and televisions. But I couldn't any was saying, so I find your kind of funny chirimu. Papa, then I will be kindly say, yet to abandon you who say. So many prophets contributed in their own way. A bit of a company, a bit of Selcom, a bit of Bompire or Kukuemu, a bit of Yapanchre, a bit of a follow up a prayer. Yet to mention you'll be a portable, said the TBR, right, will be a contributing the quota. Now, Abani Bapa Real, who became a push in the church, and I would say, I dated John Dramani Mahama, your president, who selected Kofua on the economy. Why involve the pastors who prayed and prophesied for him to win power?
Yo, yeah, I know the any problem said the brain may not be no. Snobiane said the Osibi Hunanadia fa. There will be a Yankopon Adamo the Adomiano is to defend and also to speak of a certain wisdom, especially about the church of God. Usha said the Odinka kind. Oman Panini be a bar, or here software, near Christopher, say about one, no way we near ban. Ampa, almost the Jom 2, and they are not your platform, any other bois, nanso bebree no mu wi a na kwese asofo re de omo nka ho na yi omo firi na asofo no bebree wa ebi akọ school ebi a lawyer for ebi a doctors ebi a psychologists ebi engineers ebi a architect what you say ebi scientists aside pastoral we have medical doctors. Bishop Dakwame is a medical doctor.
Yeah.
I am a medical doctor. I Bishop Charles Ajinasare, a professional teacher. Osawo only invest. What you say? What doctorate? I was several educational field.
So what is a no PhD?
What you say? No PhD. You know, we don't have a pon count. Make a fathers and unpo. So what you say? And penifo be brave. What was share the approach? Share leadership. Share psychologists. Psychology near the philosophies. I didn't know ye friend of mine. I didn't so ye friend of monka. We show one penny appointment here. Musicians a boano. Afebi meboa. Radio presenters a boano. Afebi meboa. Movie actors a boano. Afebi meboa. Activists kra no mo nam street kra mo ye. Afebi meboa. Youth guys, young guys. Afebi bre meboa. Tidenti ena wo hwa asofo mu dia yenhu sa appointment bia ba mo sofo bia so ti ase enu wi anya sa ya biya o eye recommendation e bia nani ma so a na maka akere ko se bi mimpe position bia wa ba mu ko ba bia mi gina no mentimi resign mfiri ho e ma ha what you say me sabi I have an appointment from a higher office, the United Nations. Google United Nations Peace Ambassadors in the world. I happen to be the 5th or the 6th number in the world as a global peace ambassador. Not just Ghana. What I say? Position I may want to know. Because our United Nations mean to me free home metra. It may me be as we can. Yes, we are come. But what them can cause me jay hono na se ba. Mesa ko bi e ade amfame. What them can say? It be kura de nyama asem. Ba ma hwe ne ma na wo se. Ye wa sofo bi obetima tena board bi so. Obetimi a contribute spiritual direction, physical direction, economic direction, social direction, leadership direction and advice. Ye for Council of State. See to abayi nkrofo. President so ya appointment me boa. Appointment or ye. Today bad party sequence and pennyphobia so for the different pennyphobia. Ebetimi afre ba akum yelu bi akwatena board no so say ye two of mine pennyfo Council of States yemfa sofo baako odifo baako na man of God baako nka ho ne duru ho kwa na ba mpa aba awabo eduru ne ya twi fa Christopher ho a ode abina ba ye policy bi ma Christopher a onye nkoma wo mo onsi yamfa obi a nti wo hwe we ya ya dia o se ye ka ho asem
Bishop all kind na emu da ho but Bishop Savi gave a tap on no the minimum reason he say the pastors have their high calling from God say they are to feed their flock.
Yeah.
Omo hwe nyame ma no.
Yeah.
Say omo tie nyame ni na omo hwe asoro na omo ye. Then they should not go after what you as the positions. Then they beam know when they pray for these positions, they shouldn't be in any expectancy. Say they are waiting for any recommendation or any award or maybe some applause from them. Omo nyame so edwuma na ha no maye no. It is any panel back care and as you find one kind so fine.
Well, appointment to help the nation is not an award or a recognition, but it's an impact, it's a platform for impact. So, Sunday being back Canada, and I'm ranting a movie, some movie that.
Yeah.
One more radio presenter, one young presenter. What do you say? The teacher, or teaching that. I didn't think I could find so I'm a can on a man platform, no contribute to the national development.
Short as you say, Emma, a soft one, Edo, Eko, DBS in a minimum.
I knew we are senior. Bible said, righteous men, it your man swap, or man conning.
Yeah.
What you say? Until a 2 rebia, if not one would mean soon until I say. Ona ukura nyankopo sumu ntiase no no so aba be ka omambuo no oman ni nye wiase oman ni ye nyina de tim yesu tatoma nyina akomba ekoma nyina e kan wiase a different from governance government enye wiase government ye nyina ye nyankopon ahona musi adwene nti ase ne nchechiremu ni yanchiremu yi apart from nyankopon nyamesom ni nyankopon tumi yowo the greatest power to control human force government meboa o man panyin be kuma kase nyina enkoda meboa ona obeka so yourself nti ona na covid ba yi o man panyin hihye mbara se osese munyese nyina ya ni so adete so they are saying tie wo mu a interesting and that being kasa enye yi o man enye yi without the man of God no so o man be tima koso
almost spiritual duty with God and let the government also do their
any problem be so for betima koso ayo your moye what you say but on mine no enye kana thing no you see that's how we see it o Oman bu no nya kanati no.
Someone say be a president Disika na ye si dan no mo ye dam no mo ye mi.
Na kanati
to mun say man e wiase niam.
Enye wiase niam.
E wiase dey say wakan.
Da bia so dan na nka so for ye si ne so ye wiase niam.
Say no ye.
E say yes man tin edisi.
E say o contract on base.
Eni ska dey edisi.
So
what you say? Ma ni nyina ka ho na o ma mind koso. Pese me kire say o mind no nyansa wo bia ti nyini baba akofo na nyansa wo foto ibetima chukakra wa na chukakra na sometimes backgrounds contribute so they say adentina sometimes o man panyini hia obi a why adwuma wo music industry so ba kwa adwuma wo ministry of music no ana obi a wonim agriculture ho kakra sometimes come to me do obi a onyim ho de ko na so be na ne ba ese na na se technical director de oye obi a oye engineer e was area meboa said the be balance nyaba did we businessman no e de na adwene ba na de oye engineer na so oye researcher no so de na adwene ba na o balance na tumi akoso meboa yes anete share ministry of health minister of health onye doctor
yeah onye
doctor minya so owura hospital abopane kurada so man panyinu se ono bitima yesa adwuma meboa and so the deputy no so a doctor and a doctor for no nko adwuma so nyina a doctor director na onye doctor on to me one you need to be directors ni nyina emfiri wo so nyina mo doctor for or the politicians for na ba be sha ho adentia wo said there must be a balance what the doctor for no kwa ya on ba bi ni doctor for no kwa mo megwene the business aspect of the health no here na health na kofo nti wo so balance what you say ti nyankopon dwuma no nyamdwuma ne kase pan se ye break out of our church confines of our church Kristo bae no Yesu bae no what you saw them tiare ti ne kase asofo transfer them Yesu bae no what you saw them Paul bae no what saw them ne Paul no kase kire politicians John the Baptist no what you saw them not John the Revelator no kasa kire politicians meboa leaders shedifo kochake babu odifo Samuel anya na raise a president first president of Israel president another king Saul one abanji one eboa anya odifo Samuel the second president another second king obedi Israel King David anya odifo Samuel eboa no what you say edifo no na nyame na mom so bo ene asesa but ene nkire say yenyi om nyina mfirim there are some of them are betima contribute ebetimi dia mabwa na so media be kasa me ka balance communication say yan for one kan wa enya hwe but what they make us enya dia just yan for one kan wa man be oba na be say you there be just that there should be a certain balance field where you be fear oh asofo no so mo boa mame nfa bi mra na vampire boa mo boa mame said ye petumi no na yesu asofo transfer dem vampire ayede na nka obepo petumi no frɛ nyina ze bra me jia no vampire man
na wo free asofo
ko vampire man no Charity to the way we know where the Awunya said about the vampire. So I say,
Bishop, say, meaning say recently, so when you time about social media, there's a beef there echoes between pastors, especially LDC pastors. They could say, Governor, a month for that, some LDC pastors. Jesus, I will fair to Fukum Chacha, or Ushu Bar, or Pambo, and the kind. How much we say they are pastors, and so people are of the view, say, whatever they did for NDC, no, is a work of God. There was some person we should have moved for their good act. But now, no, many of the view say, some before we consider adding John Mahama. I train Usbe Padia Ben, Obuko beating the ass and will be my vampire manner. Near Usbe. So for Usbe Papian, so that some time ago, or just a papa way does not qualify. Muja when they say he can never become president. It's no one say, Yena, if the party needs your chair, against him say, you be a church. Until less than I do not say 8 years for our power there. Alice Kaya Braya Brennan Kalushi and Nanny or so tia.
well, said the cannot recommendations a different from appointment. Or recognize will be recognition. A different from whom will be appointment. And to me, not first one, I can't appointment to once I'm said. It be me a qualified. A bit my from my Penny board be so near the end of wow mine. And no, then recognizing and acknowledging people who have fought for you is a very important thing. What I say, very, very important. Now, and this is for any care for me the same mistake. MPP for you in a sense, he said, the course we are mass of we or number one, I will condemn the public fights and then the insult as of who are taking into as your moko. Yeah, so Regina at the crowd ministry. A Bayer Juma a mobi. Now at the end of the day, no, will be you a free. Now all recognize you, no all acknowledge you. Yeah, now so Yansamunti, as some Viamunsunti, and Peninienti. We are paying for. We are influential leaders. Sabi, omunya careful. Na omunhwe se omumma kwan e masade ne ndidi omutima ntokwa ne basabasa bia ma omuntem because egu omani masse bebre nti mesre menu na masofo ne adifo ne bebre wahyenkom wagina waya akwankyere wakun wa sacrifice walusu niama ema obi aba nso wamuya wa janima awrade na awrade na ehwa komam onyankopon enebu atan one of shed nipa bi akoma said there is two afuan sa na beto aso a what you say enti sa na si wo MPP for MPP mu a sa sofo ya koma won edu mire bi o reject wo on de to wo sa na te anopa no eni akola ba ko kasa me ka chen se so bi ni wo apam na abu apam no so a obetimi akon atia na bimuti asofo ne bi o mo ni NDC party ni wa apam a ma ye adwuma ma wo no pa from 2016 mo ba this ndi o mo sa apam no betimi akon atia o matimi do ma no asi mo so a to me mo ama ebese ti bese o mo se o mo nya isa na o mo hwe o mo yi
Papa me to no if you could just say asofo no didn't contribute to anything because Ghanaians were already tired with FDP's 8 years governance. So they were waiting for a new face. It's in the Ghana for an umbrella they call Pabanamo and Yam Pibubia and India. Bishop, I'm just over can say.
Well, Obia one opinion. Obia one opinion on the council. Yes, we had the nation say I am spiritual and I to about baby course. A default domano, a year juma, a ya quantre. Okay? Spirit is very important. Spiritual is very, very important. It's one of the highest importance values of life. That only the agora what you say. Or they understand. Ko football, ko businessmen, ko nkofo wa kusua the professors o masua the omkura nkoko. Etwa nkoko gupu. Ko professor wa sua the ahemfo pa so ogunsa. Wo na ato say spiritual ni ho. O ya kola na de nkoto ani ase aba. Wunyina na abe unu sampa. Say we ase sunsum wo ho. Ko Dubai for ko China for ko Kɔhɛ China shop bi a bewura mu bia so mo nsi incense wɔ ha na. Kɔhɛ India for shop bi a bewura mu bia sɛ wobedu no mo god mo nsi o manim hɔ a wo de coins betum ana. Waza first spiritual things dey agro. Na usa wano papa wodu ano kasa. Munyina na wo nsa kasa. So entino yesere se eno de enye Ghana for na so koto aba. Na 2016 na maama wa anya niam bebree ukroma. Enso so say ya to abetia.
Bishop, because you come the way no, then na ekos wo Pottersville.
The ekos Nyankopon tumi ni nyame asam nyame wosa. Adanse ni adom. Pija bebree e Pottersville. Pottersville ye Destiny Church. Sorry, ye hwesebre, ye boa sebre. Me ya so we kwaso 20 years na. Anu ase na me ya so be branch ba akotem. Rami bi e wanya be 56 years. Me busa ansa wo masa so onimba. Wa wale o so wale da. Wo kwa so so ya watan so 25 years. Ma reho. E wo musa nyi obi a na betima nya nhyantani bi e wo wiase nyina ade. Nanso wo sebre e wo so wo hunu huye. I was so to me check was destiny very well. Now, sorry, I was so for you interested in your destiny fulfillment. Up our war, up our warrior, up our human up our spiritual life. This 4 area: spiritual life, social life, family life, and our financial life should be a burden of a church and your pastor. That formulate your destiny. What I say,
Bishop.
So a church should focus on that, and that is what Pottersville will focus on.
But looking at Pottersville, a very big church with many branches.
By the grace of God, we are very interested in people's destiny. Man to be a focus on one area, say a social area. Why am I be socially influential in your area? With church, why am I so be leader? Nini pay who need papa was but family near tre, about spiritual near tre, about business near tre. The whole month of February with their teaching investment. I sorry you, but teaching investment is to me yet mama bank for any insurance for money because we are Christian, we invest here. Now you see can you about for there? What do you see can you what do you see can you turn them away? Would that you have a bremus of fear before? So we need to be intentional about the future of our members. You sorry, no. You said that says you're doing 20 years to come. So with 20 years to come, no. Christo Maya, yes, as your church now. Near Jassy, a heaven, young young heaven, be at a neighbor. Jimmy, I be popular. O ma benyina be ko investi to money do how better no ahwe o health to say nti me kira health so they say ti o say your teachings ni nyina the time has come also suffer you combine every aspect of human endeavor na man ni panabra bon ti sisu yi na ye jai condemnations ni nsem huru obi akwanyam nti ya pa ya tu na fira so what are you talking about oba bi akwanyam nti ya tu na se na de woni be ma da wonya nyem de onya ebone keso woni obi da no onya nyem ye de onya ebone wanyem de awaye ebone what are you talking about ye nyina nim se Nyankopon na cheba meboa ye nim se Nyankopon na ma nipa wo koso obi atumi aware to won na sa akola na kwanyam a ya to na twene no Sanya ma wanyina was a chum. I was see jai ayen semuna. Anya Chrysostom papa. What I say? Chrysostom you done it as any nyansa. Chrysostom nyansa is wisdom, is knowledge. I was here tears in nyansa and not telling near the bois your man managing colony. Minim say we controversy. Yagani aso for be kasasa. Mamasa, akola na wa wono no, ohia family, ohia spiritual life. Akola na wa de ne ba wiase no, onye ebone. Nti mfa ono no ho mpanese ma ame no mama ame no punishment nka kan akola no. Ye twire nim, ye betu ne fo, ye be guide no. Wa akola na bone bra. Uwia, to our school so who we are sister mama oba kwanyema jeno eto ne ntwene kaso akwaye bone but dey be no nyame na boss ade what's the meaning of this dey bone no aye wakunipa was said then was say on say I say wakudi aduane na wakudi ade na was say bone there be no see just any money.
Let me show finally your children department
your children department solid me answer your first class second class third class and you know horse ni eduma Sunday ni na eduma e kira de shada mo kira o ma de se do mo ko school to kolane ba ya o mo de book ni pen ba sorry
Sunday school
o mo de book ni pen ba so month bi o mo exams.
Wow.
And Tinklano teaching American Yasas ya Yasas and the same mentality national line. Demand to go is social values. Quite faso, and when which ya, quite faso tenase, quite faso casa, Acolano. Tincolano, Namua Bones of Ranichia, womb, Achia, one was salute. What I said, Nano Sandy Akram, my nobility, a cadet. See me, boys, you see the boys and more yet. What I said, a man also have a trouble cookie. Ya trouble home affairs. And the Akulani being in home. For a dear Bakwan, no problem or charismatic and prophetic, and they say, we are not intentional. Yen to me, a nut system, and to me, and help the human body of the person, the social life, the total life of the person. Until your boss or the spiritual life, and until when you solicit, when you answer, when you testimony, when you are sorry. What you say? I was saying to Mrs. Sansadi, no, you be free. To be quite sorry, it should be a full church. The Potters be a full church. Oba, you must make sure say, let there be an ever shall come. Now, sometimes commission come as a son. You won't come, shall say, you will debut him to mission confess come one. A debut him to mission come for a while some one. A debut him to mission come for what you must some one. A debut him to mission come for character, or character be a yachre. Wow, before me catch row, so soon show me who so you before. Also, Buffon was safe for the catcher. Me fana word ne say penyamsom obia mo de say obesum nyame o wi a pese obeboa obi beboa nipa beboa onua beboa onamfofo. Let's put our hands together and help our society and build the nation and the Ghana we want together. Onyame sure na so ye preventing ye maintaining aso bia na anyakobon de amaye. Whether we say we na some free. Obeso Johnny e Potters we asore so be sly kwese da bia with my charisma TV or TV show. But you show Johnny every Sunday bia a destiny service, destiny factory. Oba yes sebre boa sebre. With my friend number me so betimi dia 0244 673732 0244 673732 with my friend. That's it.
It was many Bishop Sam Owusu train command or so penny order Potters Hill Asafuano. East Legon Hills, a very big church now. Me tell the contact that was your person Bishop Ekasa me cancer friend. Nemuno a Kawakuma, which he said, whatever you are going through, the own name will friend Bishop with me. Ama Unyamia Quanchere, with me, Dunyamia Sama, Panama was your name, Ekasa, nothing so. Subscribe my page in the other man, so send me application or submit account. All the social media platforms, a too much GH. Macro.